Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 1 hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar Canadian, we did make a pretty nice little bounce this morning, but because it went below the 78% of the last impulsive move up, I'm actually thinking that this is not going to go up and break structure, but instead it's probably going to end up making a lower high and likely making another push to the downside. If we take it all the way up to the weekly, we can see that the weekly is definitely still in a downtrend, and there's no signs of this downtrend being over yet. No engulfing up, no break of structure. If we go to the daily time frame, we did have price go up and try to break structure here. So we possibly could get, impulsive, corrective, and impulsive on the daily. Whether it's a 1, 2, 3 or whether it's an ABC is yet to be determined. So I could definitely picture on the daily another push to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the fact that it closed below makes me think that it might end up making another push down. But if it makes like a 1, 2, 3 way pullback and then it possibly makes a retracement of this whole move up and like a nice engulfing move to the upside, we do have to keep an eye out that the daily may be trying to turn up. And if the daily does turn up and we see like a nice break of structure to the upside on the 1 hour, then after the break of structure is where I would start looking for logs potentially for a nice push up. But I definitely would be very cautious. I am definitely still recommending shorts because the trend is down on the monthly, down on the weekly, and down on the daily. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And also check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.